Hi friends, I am Janhavi and today we are going to see how to paint easy watercolor flowers. So let's begin. Now let's see what things we will need. Here I have a watercolor paper. You can also use a regular drawing paper. Next I have watercolor cakes. If you have watercolor tubes, they will also work the same. For mixing and diluting the colors, I will use this white colored glass plate. Then we have water and a tissue to wipe off the excess paint or water from the brush. For this painting, we will need a round brush. Make sure it has a sharp point to achieve good results. Now let's start painting. The first color that I am using is crimson. I am going to dilute it with a lot of water to make it light and transparent. Now, having a little amount of this diluted paint on our brush, we will start doing the petals. For the petals, create two C-shaped curves facing each other and then fill in the space. At the beginning and at the end, apply less pressure to the brush to get pointed edges. I am drawing 3 petals for the first layer. You can also draw 2 or 4 as per your choice. Now I am giving the second layer of petals over it. As per need, you can remove the excess paint or water from the paper. When we go on adding more layers of petals, the petals beneath them look through, which creates a good effect. This happens because watercolors is a transparent medium. The more water we add to these colors, the lighter and transparent they will become. And for these flowers, we need them to be very light and transparent to achieve proper effect. You can make the flowers of different colors as per your choice. The next color I am going to use is red and I am going to mix it with the crimson present in the palette. We also need to dilute it with a lot of water to make it light. After making flowers using red and crimson, I am going to use orange. Similarly, I will draw other flowers using lemon yellow. Once I'm done with the yellow flowers, I'm adding a few more petals to the flowers. Once we are complete with the petals of the flowers, we are going to draw the sepals and stems of the flowers using a thin brush. For this, I will use sap green. I'm going to dilute it with a little water to make it slightly light. For the sepals, you have to give upward strokes from a single point. Using the same brush and paint, we will draw the stems as well. For the leaves, I'm using the same paint but just adding a little more water to make them lighter than the stems. Here also, we need two C-shaped curves like the petals. But here, there should be some gap between them. That is, they should not touch each other. Now my leaves are complete. For the soil, I am going to use yellow ochre. Make it light by adding some water, and once your brush is loaded with the paint, just stretch a curvy line below the stems as shown. And then spread it a little in the downward direction. For the sky, I'm using cerulean blue and I'm going to dilute it with a lot of water to make it very light. I'm just going to spread it in the upper area as shown. I am wiping off the excess paint to get a smooth transition. Our watercolor painting is now complete. Hope you found these watercolor flowers easy to make. If you like this art tutorial, do give it a thumbs up. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.